The stars look beautiful outside.
So beautiful.
Tell your mama I said sorry. I didn't bring you home early.
Last night when I was a little tipsy. I know she doesn't miss me. So put on those shoes
that I like, and we'll
go and dance the night away. What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Tell me, how has your day been, traders? Tell me your day, how it has been. Have you looked at your charts today? This is a trading assembly, and spend all my money on you, baby. I am trading binary option, and currently we are looking at gold OTC chart. Mark your attendance. Tell me, how have you been? Do you have any traders that have moved the markets today? Yeah, share with me. I really had a great day, guys. Quite busy, but like I always said, you busy days are my best days because I accomplish a lot. Okay, Cameron, good to see ya. First, okay. Tell me, how has your day been? Have you looked at your charts today? Kevin, good to see ya. Cat lover. So put on the shirt tonight, and we go and dance the night away with you. Porto, good to see you. Good to have you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. So let us see if we can get any moves already. And away we go and spend all my money on you, baby. With me when I'm dead, 'cause tonight we are young. I wanna have some fun. Already our entries are making a closing in plus. Kevin, good to see ya. Wesley, good to have you. Good to have you. Valerie, good to see ya. Michael, guys, tell me, how has your day been? Do you have any traders that moved the market today, guys? The week is still fresh. I mean, you can still catch on some moves. So
we could go driving in on my scooter.
Someone comment locked in. I mean, guys, the more you're consistently showing up, you know trading is a skill that you build over time. So the more you show up, honestly, you're just only doing a favor for yourself and developing your skill. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this stress and these Jimmy Choo's. Taking them off 'cause I feel fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'ma step out of this lingerie. Up in a bar with something, hey. Locked in for life, Raphael. Actually, Raphael, this is a pullback move. Oh my god, this is a pullback move, and I know you are the only pullback trader here. Most traders prefer taking continuation entries. So anytime I'm taking pullback moves, it's for Raphael. Yeah. But actually, guys, one thing I know about trading, when you're starting out to learn how to trade, you're going to find yourself most of the time you're biased on one side. So actually, me, when I'm starting out to trade, taking continuation entries was easier for me. But it's always like that. It's so hard to find that a trader is catching on both moves. I mean, continuation and yes, our buys are invalidated, but let us look for more moves. You're gonna be finding it's easier to be catching on fast. Like if you're a continuation trader, you're going to find yourself most of the times your entries, continuation entries, are locking in positive compared to pullback trades. So as a beginner, it's actually very okay if you first focus on one side, either catching on continuation entries and you perfect them so well, then you start considering the other side of taking pullback or reversal moves. It is same with if you are a reversal trader and you feel like every time you can really catch on reversal moves, first focus on that, perfect it, and be so good, then you can consider getting both sides of that trade. Because honestly, that's how I really started, and I found it is much easier that way. It was always much easier, and as the skill keeps on developing, as your skill, you keep on perfecting your skill, you're going to find actually you can be getting both sides of the trades, because we all know it is very fair and okay to catch on sales if you are in a bullish market, as long as you know the confirmations and the confluences to always look out for. Yeah, it will always be easier. But if you are starting out to trade, it's better to first focus on one thing, then you just keep on improving as your skill gets better. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. Tell me, guys, do you have any traders that move the market today? Guys, tell me. And feel free to ask any trading question.
All that boots for the birds. You ain't nothing but a vulture. Always hoping for the worst. Waiting for me to.
What are buyers doing here? I don't want to look at any green candle, guys. I'm anticipating more sellers in this zone. Hey.
Keep it drama free. Told you that I'm leaving.
Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Noah, good to see ya. Real good to see ya. Good to have your traders. Seems like structure is shifting bearish. I mean, I'm seeing the market is continuously taking out the most recent lows and maintaining the highs. That is typical of a bearish market. Okay. As anticipated, let us get your mood. Someone is saying, I think you are happy today. Guys, what do you mean? I'm always happy. You should just say, I think you're happy. Don't add on today. Because, guys, like I always tell you, as long as the markets are still opening, I mean, we are gonna be fully locked in, and just the idea of the market being open just gives me joy. There's nothing that gives me joy like really knowing the markets are going to be open, so I have an opportunity to trade.
So leave your keys on the kitchen counter and give me back that ruby ring with the big diamond. It is over, what you tripping for? I don't wanna have to let you go, but baby, I think it's better if I let you know.
I am trading binary option, guys. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Yeah. I'm using the indicator with default settings. The market is really volatile here, guys. Can you see it? It's really getting volatile.
So it shouldn't be that hard to swallow. The other chick I'm with never complaining. She make me want to leave the one I'm with, Usher Raymond. Probably didn't register.
What?
Don't trip.
Oh my.
Later on, it will. Shorty
I was still anticipating more sellers, so
I finally noticed it. It finally hit me. Latina did Ike in the limo. It finally hit me. I got a new chick, and she ain't you. She Paula Patton thick. She give me deja vu. And all that attitude, I don't care about it. But all that I do for her, you gon' hear about it. Breezy rap 2 up, 2 down, but I'm just putting 2 up, chucking up the deuce now.
oh my lord. What's
Something better, baby. No more trying to make it work. Make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I'm seeing someone talking about confluences, and confluences are basically things that you always consider in your in your strategy to execute. For example, I am a pure price action trader. My confluences are simple. It is first understanding the market condition I'm dealing with. Am I in a bearish market? Am I in a bullish market? Understanding the market you are in, it's going to be easier for you to really trade.
I don't get it.
Because we all know if you're in a bearish market, you have 2 options. So either take continuation entries, those are sells, or taking pullback entries, and those are buys. God is really trying to play here, guys. The other confluence I always consider whenever I'm trading as a price action trader, it is market structure. And when it comes to market structure, you want to see if you're in a bearish market, series of lower highs and lower lows. And if you're in a bullish market, structure is continuously taking out highs and maintaining the lows and moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. The other confluence I consider when I'm trading, it is candlestick patterns. We all know candlestick patterns are going to show you when the market is getting into a continuation or a reversal. But when it comes to executing based on candlestick patterns, the key thing to note is key areas. Yeah, you execute based on key areas. Not every candlestick you're going to be seeing on the charts will make sense. It has to be seen in a key area. Okay.
I know I wanna be more than friends. How come every time I get the chance I lose my cool and I blow?
You guys are getting crazy. Okay. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. I mean, we are here to learn. We are here to learn, so feel free to ask any trading question. And I'm seeing someone is asking, what is market structure?
Next time I won't stop, I listen to my heart. That's what I did.
So to explain market structure, we all know the market does not move in a straight line. It moves in a corrective way. For example, if I'm in a bullish market, the market moves high, creates a new high. Then after a break of structure, it's going to give you a pullback and create a new low. So that movement, it's what structure is defined as. Yeah, let me hope you get it, Imo. That is what market structure means. Just the market continuously making highs and the lows. And I'm seeing someone. So someone is claiming they are my boyfriend. Guys, like I always said, I am an appreciating asset. So the time you consider being my boyfriend, you know that you already know, guys. And if I've not seen anything, so I don't know, I'll still stay locked into the market and fully engaged to them.
Next time I won't stop.
I should have showed you just how I feel. And I should have kissed you. I should have told you just
How I feel.
And this time I won't stop.
What is your target, guys? Like I shared this, but personally I do not always set daily targets, because me as a trader, the times I would set daily targets, I would find myself putting myself under a lot of pressure to accomplish them. And you know, when you are trading to hit a certain target daily, there's a way you're going to find yourself, let me say, over putting a lot of pressure on your account just to hit the target. So I switched on into setting weekly targets or monthly targets. That's where I am. I do not set daily targets anymore. And honestly, I feel like that can be a very good risk management, something you can really include in your risk management, because from just my own experience, that those days I was trading with daily targets, I would be under a lot of pressure to make sure that I hit them, compared to when I have a target for like a week. Because I mean, if today has not really been so much profitable, I know I have the next day, so I will not find myself over putting myself under pressure. You all know, you all know trading pressure, guys. You've been there. So that is something actually you can really consider putting in your risk management.
Then you disappear and make me wait. And every second's like torture. Hell, I won't do it no more. So finding a way to let go. Baby, no, I can't escape. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so
You guys know that pressure very well. Cameron is saying, when you feel your chest is about to explode. Yeah, I mean, that is the pressure, honestly. You know, as you get better with trading, and because the more you really fully lock in, you're going to find yourself starting to build discipline that favors you. Like I always said, your trading is a personal thing. You shouldn't always be, because someone is doing this, I should do this. It should really be personal to you, to a level that you're not really, you do not have to set a target because everyone has daily targets. I should go by that. You all know what daily targets does to us.
It's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not allowed to tell you cold. And now, but the odds against it all. Save your advice, cause I won't hear.
Alright guys, I'm already seeing some donations. So in a few, I'm going to get to them. In a few minutes, we are gonna get into the donations, because I'm seeing you guys are already Yeah, actually, you start realizing you're getting better at trading the moment you really want to focus, not just about the pressure and everything, but yourself. So you gotta set the discipline that favors your personal life and personal trading. And once you can fully do that, then you are a step ahead. Michael is saying, don't miss out my donation tonight. Of course I can't. I can't. Just in a few, we are gonna get into them. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. This is a trading assembly. So feel free to ask any trading question. Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today?
But I can't without you and forever in a minute. That's on my night. It happens since he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like, ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like, ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh, na 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 na. Havana, ooh, na na.
Oh my god. Every day I'm on chat because I'm hungry. Okay. So tell me, how does it turn out? How does it turn out, Photo, after being hungry? So you fully lock in because you're hungry. But guys, when I was starting out to trade also, guys, some of those reasons could just keep you locked in, but it shouldn't be the reason why you're really fully locking in. It should be bigger than that. It should be bigger than that. Actually, I feel like the reason why you should be fully locked in, it should be the fear of not making it, guys. The fear of not making it should be bigger. Because there are the days when it was the only inspiration I had to fully lock in. And also the fear that I've wasted my time. There's a link in the description for the platform, guys, and its pocket options. The strategy I'm using is price action. The indicator you're looking at the chart, it is Keltina channel, and if I'm trading with Keltina channel, I want to see a breakout to the top side of the indicator. And once I see a breakout to the top side of the indicator, I start anticipating buyers in the market. But to use both the indicator and price action, if I see a breakout to the top side, I anticipate buyers, then I would want to see market structure shifting bullish, or to see candlestick patterns that are confirming bullish momentum. There I'll start considering buying, and the opposite is true for a breakout to the downside. You anticipate sellers in the market, but you would want to see market structure shifting bearish for getting a more confirmation to execute. And if you cannot see market structure shifting bearish, you would want to see candlestick patterns that are confirming bearish momentum in the market. From there, you can start considering taking sell entries.
It's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window. Don't you let out the antidote. Yeah, party on a Sunday. Do it all again on Monday. Spend the check on a
Then when it comes to price action, the first thing as a trader you have to understand, it is knowing the market you're dealing with. Guys, it's so easy to know the market you're dealing with on theory, but when it comes to looking at the market, sometimes actually it is hard to spot the highs and the lows. So you have to keep on practicing to understand that if you are dealing with a bullish market, what are the key points I'm always looking at? Because sometimes it's not always that you're going to be getting those clear market structure. So if you are in a bullish market, you want to see the market continuously taking out the strong highs and maintaining the lows. And continuously taking out continuously taking out the highs and maintaining the lows. That is the behavior of a bullish market. And you would want to see market structure. If a high is taken out, you anticipate a pullback. But if that high is taken out, it has to be with a candle closure. So if you can see a candle closure, sellers have played us here. Let us get another move. The market is bullish. That's why I'm adding these buys, guys. That's why I'm adding these buys here, because we all know the easiest way you can trade is by following the trend. So if you can honestly understand those key concepts as a trader, then price actions is a strategy for you. But it doesn't stop there, guys. It doesn't stop there from knowing the strategy. You have to also consider having risk management, because even with the best strategy, if you have no risk management, still you are not a better trader. It has to also be added with market discipline, and that is being patient enough to execute your moves that are in line with the strategy that you're looking at with in the market.
Back in the day, nigga, you know you gotta go get it, my nigga. They hating, they sticking, they waiting. Don't be mistaken, we dying, they stand. Lord, I'm on fire, they thinking I'm safe. Calling me crazy on different occasions. Kicking the cameraman off on my stations, cause I don't like how he snapping my angles. I'm overboard and I'm over impatient. Over my niggas and these is my agents. Dealing with motion that's more complicated. Like these two bitches that might be related.
Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn.
Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window. Don't you
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I'll warm up your plate when you arrive. And your coat, take off your shoes, hot water in the tub. You don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink,
I'm anticipating sellers in this zone, so let's see how this goes.
Just wanna take some time to thank
Oh my god, that was really close.
let you know just how you make me proud. Good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you're waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and now scrambled up. Pancakes, bacon, no J on the side. Pat your back with extra clothes.
Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. My strategy is simple. It's not complicating things. Actually, the more you keep things simpler when it comes to trading, the better actually you know that you have gotten. Like guys, I told you when I was starting out with trade, my charts, the way they used to look, it was so crazy. I would have like very many outlines on my charts. Of course, anyways, you have to have them, because I mean, if you are talking about market structure, as a beginner, it's very okay to map out market structure on your charts. It's very okay to have those lines mapped out, the highs, the lows, the structure breaks, because when you're starting out, you would want to. It is easier for someone who has. Why? Okay, let us add more cells. I mean, if you have been trading for some time, you can easily spot market structure. But if you are starting out, sometimes it's not easier for you. So if you can map out all those things, you map out the structures, you map out the breaks of structure. Of course, beginner charts are always crazy, and they just keep on reducing those things as you get better at trading. So I remember how my charts used to look then. So I really don't know how your charts always look. Because I mean, they were just, everything was there. But in those lines are the ones that trained me to actually become better. You have to practice spotting good market structure, because always the market is making highs and lows. But to spot the valid points of structure are the ones that are going to make you a much better mechanical trader than just knowing that the market makes highs and lows, and that is structure. You have to map out the right highs and the right lows and the right break of structure. And for valid break of structure, you have to see a candle closing either above the high in a bullish market, or closing below the low in a bearish market. Oh my god. Actually, guys, when I was starting out to trade, it couldn't have been that bad. The guy is saying in the first week of trading, he had 10 indicators on the chart. So how many do you have now? How many indicators do you have now? I know my charts were crazy, but not 10 indicators. That's a lot. But one thing I knew, I just kept on switching. Because when you are a beginner, honestly, to be consistent with let me say, a certain indicator, or to be consistent with just a single strategy, it's close to impossible. You keep on wanting to learn more and more. So 10 indicators on a single chart, I really didn't have them, but I kept on switching in between. That's one thing I can tell you. I've met another trader, they tell me this is working out. I mean, you immediately add it on your chart to see. So you just keep on switching, but the more you really the more you keep on refining your strategy, refining your trading skill, you do realize actually you would prefer to look at cleaner charts than having a lot of crazy colors on the charts. So I get you. But as long as you can really understand your chart, you as a trader, because that's what matters. If you have your 10 indicators and you can honestly read your charts with your 10 indicators, why not? Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question. I'm here to bring out the beast of a trader that is trapped inside me. All right. As long as you keep on showing up, that beast will come out. Actually, as long as you deep inside your heart you believe you're really a good trader, you can actually make it. Because if you honestly don't believe that you're a good trader, you never really that beast may not come out. So
Stephen Martin, let them know what time it is. We came here to party, we came here to dance. You know that you're my girl, damn right of me, man. This night going too good, don't fall for the games. He said, she said, dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I might love you.
Interesting.
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 Tearing out my history for you.
I got options.
You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get someone to love? I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get someone to love? Been around the game, been around the fame, been around the
Victor, good to see ya. Consistency, good to see ya.
Some things never change. Here's a tip. Show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Keep it changed. I've seen them come and go. I've seen them sell their souls. You my number one draft pick. Baby,
I love you too, guys. Much love from here. Much love from here.
Misery loves company. Baby, don't sweat these. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I might love you. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell that I'm under, but I know what this could be. Tearing out my history for you. I got options. You the top one.
Guys, the market is really moving so well. I'm about to start the donations because I'm loving this movement. All right, another sale locked in, another sale locked in. So do you all agree that the market is really moving well? And honestly, a trendy market is the best. Honestly, I enjoy being in trendy markets. It's so easier to really catch on those continuations. So easier.
Who they not and not who they are. Baby, you sweating what? Baby, you sweating who? You talking about such and such? Who tries to be you? Man, you JFK. Mommy, you got your man. Misery loves company. I'll tell you one more time. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I might.
I'm using the indicator with the default settings, guys. My entries are not only based on the indicator, it is backed up with price action for more confirmations. Can I get someone to love?
Baby, you know we got a strong thing. So stop thinking about the wrong things. You know we got a strong thing. So stop thinking about the wrong things. Options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love? I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem.
When you see a bearish market, you don't assume that saying that it's oversold. You just continue trading with it. Any opportunity you get to take a continuation move, you just continue moving with it. Yeah, that's what trading is all about, especially following the trends. You only start anticipating the trend is done when it gives you valid reasons to assume it's done. For example, in a bearish market, you assume a trend is done when it gives you a pullback that takes out the most recent low, that's when you shift your bias to a bullish market. But other than that, you continue selling it until that appears on your charts.
Through the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, and I'm back and I'm working. No, not about put the work in. Lost and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Noah, you're locked in. Stella Winters, good to have you. Alexander, you're welcome.
I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.
You got it, girl, you got it.
You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. Ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you.
It's your patience.
Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Okay. This is still a bullish, this is still a bearish market, guys. Yeah, I was starting to think buyers are really gonna shift structure, but seems like sellers are still playing. It's still a seller's market.
I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach you. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie.
Missing my boyfriend so much. Stella, invite him on the trading assembly so that you don't miss him. Yeah, you can invite him to join the trading assembly and you guys be locked in together. You shouldn't be missing your man. You can always invite him to the trading assembly and you fully lock in together.
Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Six got talk, but I ain't trying to get preachy. No. Seeing how you did, homeboy, please take it easier on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games.
Guys, our queue is already up for the donations. In a few, we are gonna get into them. In a few.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell.
I look to you as a friend and now you're in my way. This is a trading assembly, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question.
I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was only red cheeks, skin was showing. Hot night, the wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just made it.
This is crazy.
But here's my number. So call.
Another one. We the best music.
Yo, ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. Every baller tryna score, check them shot clocks. But I hit him with them Braun Iguodala blocks. Eat the cake, gimme, suck on my toes, yes. Hitting them home runs, I be like, go Mets. I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type that caught me diamonds, he could miss me with them bags.
We've been waiting, thinking about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby,
All right.
do you mind? Do you mind? I'm just trying to get to know you.
Someone is asking, we get into the strategy. The strategy is price action, and it is simple. All you have to do is to first understand the market condition you're dealing with. Knowing the market you're really in, guys, it's easier for you to make entry decisions, because you know if you are in a bearish market, you would want to take continuation entries after a pullback, and you would want to take pullback entries after a break of structure. So knowing the market you're dealing with, it's going to be easier for you to identify those key areas when to anticipate both. Another thing you always have to always look out for is market structure. To know how market structure is formed in a bearish market, how market structure is formed in a bullish market. Market structure shows you the turning points in the market, and always the highs and the lows. Most of the times the market is either moving up to take out a low or moving up to take out a high. So knowing those turning points in the market, it gives you an advantage. Then the other thing I look out for in my strategy is candlestick patterns. When it comes to trading with candlestick patterns, you have to look for them in key areas. Not every candle you see on the chart you have to trade it. You only trade with candlestick patterns that are really in your key areas. And with price action, key areas are the highs and the lows in the market. I'm starting to get to know you, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind?
Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Thinking about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? You know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know. Let me be the one, baby. You deserve better. You know. We ain't got. Be the one, baby. Do you mind? I'ma do that flavor, dripping flavor, hit 2 piece.
I'ma keep my promise,
never treat you like a groupie. Calamari dinners got you eating raw sushi. Still in the trap, but I like my bitches bougie. 2 cups of stuff, oh, excuse me, little mama. I can hold you down, be your friend and your lover. You want watching new Versace, you want Celine? Top back, trimming money ain't a team.
Seen the Gucci wagons in my driveway. FaceTime, 2 black bottles by my fireplace. Fell out with your people, so you took the pictures down.
All right, buyers are really taking control of the market. Let us add buys here and we see how it goes. We the best in the tales back in 05.
I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind?
As anticipated, so
Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Get your money all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind?
Just in case you need me, I don't mind. Yeah. Tell me what to do when you see a bad bitch in front of you, baby.
oh my
So in a
god.
position.
I'm just trying to get to
How
know
do I
ya.
spot pullbacks? You see very many pullbacks on the charts. But of course, the market is always moving in a corrective way. So for you to be able to see those movements, it's because the market is always correcting itself. Just what you have to see for a valid pullback, it is when the market has taken out the most recent strong high for a bullish market, or the most recent strong low for a bearish. Sorry, the market has just taken out the most recent high in a bullish market and the most recent low in a bearish market. Not every low, guys, you see it's going to be the one that really made a difference. You have to be seeing those key areas, the key points that made a difference in the market.
I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you get.
Let us see how these buys close. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in to know when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. So someone comment locked in.
You should just be yourself. Right now you're someone else.
Someone comment locked in. I want to know how many traders are still here. Guys, you didn't tell me. Do you have any traders that really looked at their charts today? Tell me, how was it? How did it go for you?
I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.
Okay, I can see, guys, you're fully locked in, and that's how it should be. As long as the markets are still opening, we are locked in for life. For life. And since I left the city, whenever you're really looking at your charts and you're analyzing, considering the candle bodies is really important. It's going to prevent you from taking entries in low momentum zones. Low momentum zones are those areas where really candles are tiny. They have long wicks, little bodies. When you are in such a zone, guys, and all the candles that are appearing in such a zone, they are in that structure, it is always best to fast wait, because it could be signaling low momentum, and the market most likely there's a lot of indecision happening there, so you wait for the market and you execute when you start to see which either buyers or sellers that have had control. So it is not all about looking for bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, but also looking at the candlesticks that are printed on the chart. It's important. It's going to help you not to take trades in areas where you're gonna get trapped. So as a trader, you have to be all the time analyzing the market. You look at it fully locked in. You don't just lock in by showing up. You fully lock in without any distraction. You're analyzing the highs, the lows. You're looking at also the candlesticks that are being formed in the zones you want to execute in. All those things are important in making your entry decisions and refining, actually having more refined entries. You have to be analyzing all those things. There is soccer in the streets, I will never neglect you. The guy is saying, I choose to avoid low momentum entries. Honestly, you don't see a lot of indecision candles in a zone and you execute from there. Yes, you could have been looking at that key area, but you have to wait. You don't execute on very low momentum, guys. Low momentum most of the times ends up taking you out, even when you are right. So those are the mistakes you should be avoiding as a trader.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. Come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way.
Those are the key things you always want to look out when you are trading. Those are the questions you can ask yourself. How is the momentum appearing in this zone? Of course, at first, when you're always analyzing those things, they seem to be a lot. But actually, the more you're really consistently showing up and the more your skill gets better, something that takes you about, for now, let me say it takes you a lot of time, it just gets short. The time gets little to analyze for you the market. Because if you're doing something over and over again, you're going to be seeing these things shorter compared to someone who is just starting out to trade or who hasn't fully locked in. Godwin, good to see ya. Jan, good to have you. Katrina, good to see ya.
I'ma be honest, I'm put it like this. I ain't really nothing like them other bitches. I'll be on Twitter on that miss yeah shit. Need attention from the rap to get in position.
Need somebody who can do it like me. And I'm different cause say I'm unique.
If you ain't nobody, I can you critique. Get a really good decision, just hating on me. I feel like I'm the hardest bitch about my city.
Charles, good to see ya. Alright guys, let us get into the donation. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready. As we are getting into the donations.
I don't wanna hang out, I be in my own zone. Don't ever think I need you, I can do it on my own. I could go a whole day without being on my phone. I don't fit in with
let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into them. I need you guys commenting ready because in a few we are getting into the donations.
I ain't really nothing like the mother bitches. I don't be on Twitter on that miss yeah shit. Need attention from the rap to get in position. Need somebody who can do it like me.
I know I'm different cause say I'm unique.
If you ain't nobody, I can you critique.
Get really criticism, so you're hating on me.
I feel like I'm the hardest bitch about my city. I don't really see no fucking
Can't nobody with the pipes like me. If you know somebody, you got to show me. It ain't easy to be me. No, no. It ain't easy to be me. Okay, guys, you are ready for our first participant, Imogen. Wish Imogen luck, guys. 5 attempts to go. So let's see.
She wanna go.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael
Our first attempt is in, and I'm already loving this momentum from buyers, guys.
And you know we out here
I'm already loving this momentum. Okay, first attempt is in.
Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot, yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block, oh, yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it, not, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop, oh, yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I gotta see the you and me. That's just how I think it's either you and me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they stayin'. Black leather glove, no sequins. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody.
Let us wait and get another good attempt. Patience is really important, so left foot slide,
left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide.
Okay, seems like
I hit it double time, and I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, it'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping, we'll just see them in the summertime. Whoa, yeah. Can't describe the pressure I be putting on myself, yeah. Really, I just can't afford to lose nobody else, yeah. If they move and shake it, we just do the shit ourselves.
These are the entries I love taking, guys, where you execute and immediately goes in your direction. Oh, nice. Just got on time. That's why timing is really important when it comes to trading. It's really important. Whenever you spot a move, don't hesitate to execute, because any second that you take without executing could cost you.
Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically,
this is our 4th attempt. Let me hope, guys, you're counting. And it's already moving well. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to Imogen. Let me see you type congratulations.
Walking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. Well,
And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant.
nobody else but my love. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself,
And to myself, I do.
one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's
Yeah, guys, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. I need to see more congrats.
free. Don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning and staring at him. You ain't getting over him.
I got rules. Yeah, congratulations, my darling. Actually, you said you're gonna cruise after here, so I mean, it's time. Just one attempt for our next participant, so let us see how it goes.
Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him.
I got rules. Guys, we are getting one attempt for.
Practice makes perfect. I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep, and breathe it. Rehearse and repeat.
So let us see. Wow, I'm already looking at this momentum and I'm loving it.
Don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend.
And it is in, and it is in, and it is in. So guys, let me see you type congratulations to Cancel. Yeah, one attempt is in. So let me see you type congratulations to Cancer. I didn't know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Everything goes to the participant right away. I got new rules.
All along there was a fever, a cold sweat, hot-headed believer. I threw my hands in the air and said, show me something.
He said, if you come a little
closer. Round and around.
everything goes to the participant right away. Right, good to see ya. Good to see ya.
Tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about you.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using.
Makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay.
Yeah, I'm seeing someone is asking, I want to join. If you want to join the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that.
My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly. Yeah. Now I'm jumping out of barrel. Yeah. And I know I sound dramatic. Yeah. But I know how to have it. Yeah. For the money and savage. Yeah. I mean, it sound like I had it. Yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bad bitches. Yeah. But they didn't know me last year. Yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my door. Yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball. Yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom. Yeah.
If you fall, we push your hands to the sky. I can't understand when I got needles on my mind. Guys, you're getting our second attempt. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. I was patient. Yeah, I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga, graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old Ben Franklin.
Big green.
Champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instead I'm in a trap though. Not so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl, call the hoes, get in the rolls. Top flow lifestyle, Huncho and Post, Malone, I got a play on my phone.
Oh my god.
You know
Oh my lord.
Huncho who did it is gone.
Our cells are taken out. And the market is still heading in our anticipated direction. Oh my god. I don't like such moves happening to me, honestly. I'm sorry about that. Let us look in for our next Novara. Let us look in for our next. I'm adding more sales because I'm anticipating more sellers in the market in this zone. So let's see how it goes. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Buyers are really playing me here. Let us shift and try again. Let us refund and try again.
Things like a sticky girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not hit by your loving is just too me. And every time you hit my phone, you say me company. I'm a renegade.
Okay, finally sellers are closing below my entry. Now we're moving. I'm a renegade.
I used to be quiet till I brought that loud. Say your dollars is enough, and your mama your accountant. You watch your figures, you a big deal. Got your fresh prince and a big wheel. Polo mink coat, that's a big kill. Put you on the phone like a windshield. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah. Never gonna not hit. Yeah, your loving is just too me.
Okay, we have hit our target. We have hit our target. Let me see type congratulations to our participants. Let me see type congratulations to our participants.
I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy.
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away.
I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy.
Yo,
I'm a Renard boy.
Major Keys, I'm the boss. Don't Griselda go off. Left from the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my cloth. About to drop an album, this is my fourth.
I put sugar in my spaghetti sauce.
Drop a freestyle and get these hoes perched.
Guys, let me see type congratulations to our participants. Yeah, they're really gonna have a good time. Here for a good time.
He call me queen, he know Nikki is the Monica. He wanna mix between Hillary and Monica. I switch it up.
I think someone is asking why I'm trading certain pairs. Like guys, when I told you, when it comes to trading, you cannot be trading every pair, of course. And the more you're really trading a certain pair, there's a way you really get used to trading it. But of course, if I open the charts and I'm on gold and it is not moving, I'm going to try out other pairs because I also be looking at them. So that is it. It's nothing really logical behind it. It's just if you find a pair that is moving and it is making sense to you, because if you on the chart and you cannot really understand what the chart is not really making sense to you based on your trading strategy, it is best to really stay away from it or to give it some time until the markets are moving in your favor, or like you have some sense of understanding that is coming up. So that's how I really end up just trading a certain pair. On to our next. Just one attempt.
Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars light the sky? Like you need to light
This is already heading in our anticipated direction, so let's see how it goes.
I'm always right by your side. You see, I never felt this love.
Let me see you type congratulations to Maxwell.
On my mind.
One attempt is in. Let me see you type congratulations.
I need you in my life.
You're my necessity, yeah.
Believe me, you're
Everything that just makes my world complete.
my love is clear. The only thing that I'll ever see.
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see more congratulations to Maxwell.
You're my angel, come and save me.
You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me.
Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide?
Don't the stars light the sky.
Like you need to light my life. We can't do anything in life. I know we both can get it right tonight. You got your walls built up high.
I can tell by looking in your eyes.
You don't understand how much you
To move on to our next participant, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Every entry I am making, it is based on price action. And whenever I'm going to execute, I want to first understand. It is always important to continuously analyze the market you're dealing with Because if you know that I'm in a bearish market, it's going to be easier for you to look for either sells or buys, as long as you know the key things to always look out for. That is the point of trading. You don't do market analysis at the beginning and you stop there. You are continuously looking at the chart and analyzing something, asking yourself what is happening, what market condition am I in? Is market structure confirming that market condition? Where is the most recent high and the most recent lows? If you are able to answer such questions while you're looking at your chart, believe me, it is going to be easier for you to look for an entry in that particular zone. And if you cannot really answer them, give yourself time and also put in much time into your practice.
You're my angel, come and save me.
Angel, come and save me. You're welcome, D. You're welcome. You're welcome. To say I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless.
Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck.
Just one attempt to go.
Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip.
Someone took a big L, no one I fell.
Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust, unless I stuck by you.
That was really getting close, guys. But locked in, 3 attempts are in. Let me see you type congratulations to Vidana. Yeah, you type congratulations to Vidana. 3 attempts are in. Go every time I walk around, I can hear you tell me to turn around. Fight for the trust and you won't back down. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. You'll be left in the dark. I want to see more congratulations. I want to see more congrats to our participants. You'll be left in the dust. Stuck by you.
You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
I am trading binary options and we are looking at gold OTC chart. Yeah.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I could get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say,
Oh, nah, nah, what's the name? Oh, nah, nah,
What's my name?
oh, nah, nah, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Everybody.
This is really playing on our entry. Oh my god. It was really getting close to locking in plus entry. Sorry about that.
Baby, you're a challenge.
Sorry about that, guys. Next time better.
Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you.
Is it just my type? Oh, na 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 na. I need a boy.
To take it over, looking
For
for
a
a girl
girl.
to put me worker. Oh, oh, oh. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I
On to Jonah Catering. Our first attempt is in.
to take it over, looking for a girl.
Emancipating sellers. Here you can see structure. It's confirming bearish movement. So this is a continuation move. And it has closed in. 2 more to go. 2 more to go.
So I
I surrender to everyone who whisper.
every door you enter, I believe.
Hey boy, I really wanna see you.
Can go downtown with a girl like
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn as much as you are catching up.
I need a boy to take it over.
Yeah, we are here to learn.
Put me worker. Oh, oh, oh. You're so amazing. You took the time to figure me out. That's why you take me way past the point of turning me on. You're about to break me. I swear you got me losing my mind.
Yeah, feel free to ask any trading question. The minimum for donations is 400. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations are not financial investments. They're purely for trading and learning purposes. Yeah. I really wanna see you. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you. Cause it's just my type. Oh, na 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 na.
I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a girl to put me worker. Oh, oh, oh. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you. Cause it's just my type. Oh, na 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 na. I need a boy to take it over.
Looking for a girl to put me on.
Oh, oh, oh.
She got bitches.
I'm off the Yankee song. You ain't know I could sing. Shorty a little body, shorty my little old thing, and shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover, cause I don't kiss and tell. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy. My little mama nasty. I see the pussy through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like the fatigue. My little mama, she ain't pretty.
And we be shopping through the sand.
This is a continuation entry, guys. The sellers have been giving us moves. Why not continue in their direction?
I get you everything that you want and need. From Chanel to Celine.
Okay, let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to our participants. Yeah, let me see type congratulations. I know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
You sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Show your little body. Shorty my little boo thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on the covers. And I kept it on the cover. Cause I'm kissing too.
You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing, I ain't even gon' lie. 4 rounds in, even bruises on your thighs. You the only bitch can make me spin off on the guys. And the only bitch that make me wanna know when I'm inside. It's your vibe, baby, me, you getting high. Honey bitches fucking with you even if they try. See a tsunami, I ain't never felt it dry. From my eyes before I sleep, hope you be there when I wake. Honestly, I feel a vibe, yeah, this game. If there's something in your mind, you can tell me. And if I told you it's on mine, would you tell me? You won't see the bigger picture, it's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'ma keep you looking like a dime. Ain't no imperfections, girl, you fine. Baby, what's your sign? Hope you win against the slow line.
Work, it's me and you.
Keep it silent, ain't nothing we can't do. To the store, maybe we can make it through. Why you acting brand new? You know
Oh my god, that really played there. Okay, let us refund and try again, guys. Let us refund and try again for Anderson.
I know she can't stand me, I'm fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I get my Grammy. Late night sex, she can find panties. Couldn't hold it in, now she need a plan B. Shorty a little baddie. She my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty.
Shorty be catching mood swings.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers.
And I kept it on the cover. Cause I don't kiss and tell.
We are in with that first attempt. And it is in. Alright, guys, let me see type congratulations to Anderson. Yeah, let me see type congratulations to Anderson.
But we ain't really gonna sleep at all. You ain't gonna catch me with them sneak pictures. In my city, I'm a young god. That pussy kill be so vicious. My God, white pea in my pocket. You get me redder than the devil till I go. Now she asked me if I do this every day. I said often. That's how many times she rode the wave. Not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop and do it how
On to our next participant. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Infatuated by the stage Saturday, she wanna ride inside the G-Class gray matted. I come around, she leave that nigga like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need a change. Back in town, she about to go downtown for a whole hour. If I had her, you can have it, man, it don't matter. I'm never sour, I'm just smoking something much louder. If I do this every day, I said often. That's how many times she rode the wave, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way, often. Baby, I can make that pussy rain, often, often, often. Girl, I do this often, make that pussy pop.
We go on to our next, just 2 attempts to go, guys.
Girl, I do this often, make that pussy pop. Do it how I want it, often. Ooh, the sun's rising up. The night's almost done. The night's almost done. But I see your eyes. You wanna go again? Girl, I go again. Girl, I go again. Ask me if I do this every day. I said often. That's how many times she wrote the wave, not so often.
Our first attempt, guys, is already locking in. I mean, whenever I execute a move and I see 2 candles already closing, I get excited. If I see 2 candles closing above my entry, so 1 to go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? 2 attempts are in. Let me see you type congratulations to next. Sorry. 2 attempts are locked in. Guys, I want to see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant.
Yeah, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Stop little dreaming, riding in a bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool with your friends. Summer City with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights, I out past 10. House party 10, turn up with your mans. Arguments all day with your brands. Just to go out, gotta fight for the shit. Gotta realize you're a high school girl. Don't matter how you put it, you can fuck niggas. But you don't trust niggas, no, no. You don't trust niggas, no, no. You don't trust niggas, no, no. Yeah. But they still trust you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do. Anything you do.
I need to see more congratulations to our participants. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see more congrats to Nick. Sorry.
She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. Every lost girl I know is over 26. Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You give your body to me, I body that like a savage. Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit for granted, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more. BFF, oh yeah, for sure. Wonder what they in it for. Take your last relationship. Look how good you treated him. You could birth like 4 of him. Girl, you never needed him. But they still need you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do. Anything you do. Everything.
Sellers. Let us refund and try again. Sellers raided us, so let us refund and try again.
She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. No need to pretend.
Okay, this is already moving in our direction. Guys, we're trying to play there, but sellers have shown us the movements. Just one attempt to go. Guys, please don't spam comment. Don't spam comment. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. What? Sorry about that, guys. This entry has been invalidated. And I honestly don't like such moves because it's still heading in our anti-spare direction. But these are the times when the market is being the market. In every moment in the market is unique, so there are times you're gonna be taken out by purely the market being the market. Everything was in line with the strategy, but unique moments sometimes take us out.
When you give me that thing, then you make my summer rain. Every day, and it won't stop. It won't stop. With every single part of me, I love you was constantly.
Hey, this is a continuation move, guys. All continuation traders, let us see how this closes. Oh my god. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again.
You rockin' my body, rockin' my body. Don't sound familiar.
And you sound like hey, hey, looking up in the space. It's just me and my babe, and we feel so amazing. Oh,
When you give me that thunder, you make my summer rain. Every day, and it won't stop. It won't stop. With every single part of me, I love you was constantly. Forever, never, only be, and it won't stop.
Another continuation entry taken.
Every day, I can't wait. You take my breath away from me. In my heart, you got the key. Put it on me, eternally. I love you too.
Oh my god, sellers have come in ready with some crazy momentum and our entry has been invalidated. I'm sorry about that.
And when I think about it, you've been making me weak, baby. I won't ever stop. I was scared, but they played it. Little bit going on. When you won't stop.
I'm sorry about that. Next time better.
I'm so in love with you, girl.
When you won't stop.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. The strategy I'm using is pure price action. So all my entries are backed up with that. Okay, first attempt is in. Let us watch out and see if we can get another move. Whenever you're trading as a pure price action trader, honestly, looking at the most recent price action, especially if you're on your execution time frame, it is really important, because execution time frames, they are always shifting in structure to facilitate movements on higher time frame. So understanding price action, recent price action is key. The moment you see the market has switched, any confirmation you get that structure shifts, your bias should immediately shift without hesitation, because if you delay to shift your bias, you may find yourself taking entries and you get trapped. Execution time frame, you don't hesitate, you act very fast, and even shifting your bias is very important, because these movements, they only just be facilitating big movements on a higher time frame. So the quicker you act to shift your bias, the better. Pushing on my bodies with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me what we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say for it. On the high, when we loaded. Hold me, hey, you hurt me. All this I made up with you deserve. That was really playing on our entries. You guys are crazy. Let me say type congratulations to our participant. Congratulations to our participant. But guys, you know how we do it. Everything goes to our participant right away. Whenever you are on your execution time frame, whenever you're really on your execution time frame, the moment guys you type locked in and you know you are locked in for your trading session, you have to continuously be analyzing the market. So I'm seeing someone saying reading charts like a book. Yes, you're supposed to read the charts like a book. Every single time you're looking at these candles, you have to be asking your questions. You have to be understanding why they are long wicks, why our body is coming out like that. You analyze the market like that.
You only knew the bad things and I don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, don't matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you so good that you can't explain it. What can I say?
Nico, thank you for the compliment.
Nothing's that bad if it feels good. So you come back like I knew you would. And we're both wild, and the night's young. Enjoy my drug, breathe you into my face, no. Talk down to that bass drum. I got what you dream about. Nail scratching my
All right. Oh god, this is nice. Let me say type congratulations to our participant. Let me say type congratulations. Want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, so I can take you wherever life.
Even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never get.
Yeah, let me say type congratulations to our participant. Bad things in life, don't think that I can't explain it. What can I say?
It's complicated. No matter
What you say, no matter what you do,
I
I only wanna do bad things
things
to
to
you.
you so good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Hey, I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath smells me like Novocaine. And we are always high.
Ooh,
Keep it strange, okay, I'm insane.
but you the same.
Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen. Hey, nothing but your heels on. Losing our religion. You're my pretty little fiction. And I'm that voice inside your head that keeps telling you to listen to all the bad things I say and you said. I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body so I can take you wherever. Like, I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look
That you will never.
Am I out of my head?
Am I out of my mind? If you only knew the bad things
Things and I don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. The way we laugh is so unique, and when we touch, I'm shivering, and no one has to get it. Just you and me.
right.
Between the sheets.
I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, so I can take you wherever. Like. Alright, guys, let us go to our next participant. I hope I can participate also, man. Yeah, there is a donation link down in the description. You can use that, and surely your name will be added to the list. I only wanna do good things to you.
Complicated.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. And I think that I've done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it, ooh, maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool and now you waiting.
Oh my god, this is a continuation move. Okay, sellers are trying to play there. Congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Guys, let me see type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, let me say type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participants. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options. And there's a link in the description for it. Trip, trip.
That's the type of love, maybe. Trip, trip. It's big enough, maybe. Trip, trip. It's big enough, got me. Trip, trip, tripping on you. I've been tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it. Ooh, maybe it's your love, it's too good to
know your love is big enough, maybe
Guys, you're always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So make sure you join the trading assembly and move the markets. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can always write to me. You can join my Telegram channel. There's a link down in the description for it. I do have a Signal group, and if you want to join the Signal group, it is simple. Create an account with my link. Then write to me via Telegram with proof, and I will surely add you to the Telegram Signal group. I love you so much, guys. Good night. Bye.